The Southam College 3G refurbishment project was carried out due to subsidence on the surface. So works undertaken by Carrick were surface removal, including shock pad. These were taken off site and recycled at a facility in Scotland. Following removal of the surface, the existing subgrade was condemned. We then had to remove this to a tip off site. We had to install a new drainage system and then rebuild the surface, starting from subgrade up, including new shock pad and new 60mm 3G surface tested to FIFA quality and World Rugby.